Ridha AKA Boys Noise is a Grammy award-winning artist and producer who has worked with the likes of Lady Gaga, Mark Ronson and Frank Ocean. His producer pack is a heady mix of glitchy, industrial EDM sounds that is definitely not dubstep.
And then one of my best friends, Sonny Skrillex.
It's dubstep, isn't it? It's definitely not dubstep, by the way, thankfully. In the Boys Noise producer pack, you will find 240 Apple loops, 4 drum and beat sequencer kits, 10 keyboard patches, and 1 live loops grid. Alex's live loop grid doesn't go as hard as you might initially presume, and includes a good mix of software instruments and real instrument samples. Just like Track Girl did in her producer pack, Alex has put in proper effort to his Boys Noise pack's beat sequencer sounds and patterns. Crunchy, heavy drum sounds are the name of the game here, and if that heavy hitting EDM drum sound is what you crave, then I think you'll find a lot here to like. Really quickly, if you are finding this video helpful and or useful, then I would love you to take a second and give that like button a little bit of a... It really helps me out and I really appreciate it. Cheers. On to the loops then, and I'm kinda split on these, to be honest. On the one hand, there are some sounds that I really like in here. And there are some that I don't. Some of the drum loops and toppers in particular don't really do it for me. Having said that, if you're making angular, gritty, industrial dance music, all the building blocks you need are right here. Keyboard patches then, and Ridha has really doubled down on the grit with this selection of synths and basses. Guttural basses? Check. Filthy arpeggiated effects? Check. Weird, piercing, alarm-like sound effects? Check. I actually really like the sounds that he's created here. Yeah, not all of them are the most melodic patches in the world, but I don't think that's the point really. These keyboard patches are really tactile, and if you take a second to stop and tweak them a little, you can end up with some unique and exciting results. So on the face of it, there's not a lot here for you if you don't make glitchy, industrially dance music then, right? Well, I'm not so sure. More so than any other, the Boys Noise Pack is full of its creator's character and is jam-packed with sounds that producers creating in a particular genre will find genuinely useful. Me, I just like messing about with some of the weird and wonderful keyboard patches. Plus, it's great to see another Producer Pack creator properly utilise the beat sequencer. Extra points for that. That's the Boys Noise Producer Pack. I kind of feel like this might be a little bit of a controversial one, so make sure and share your views on this pack down in the comments. One pack left. I'll be taking a closer look at the Take a Day Trip pack at some point next week. In the meantime, if you want to have a look back at all the rest of the packs in this mental collection that Apple have released, then click right here. Take care of yourself. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.